Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Taurus at sign. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is for the remaining month of August. This is general. So let's see what's the messages for you, Taurus. Five of Swords, Knight of Swords, the Moon. I think something is happened between both of you. Your person could be Pisces or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or you could be. Definitely some disagreements between both of you. One person is hiding something from the other person, the Moon, and some illusions. But one person want to communicate their feelings. They are calming rush. So it could be you or your person. So let's see what's going on your connection right now, Taurus. Ace of Swords, yeah, communication, lot of air energy. Nine of Swords, the Strength. I think one person is very depressed in past, but now they are gaining strength. They overcome that stress. But another person want to communicate, or you want to communicate to your person. Energy could be vice versa. The Star, you or your person could be Aquarius. Three of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, there is separation for some, but you both still hope for this connection. You both want to work on this relationship, but in past something has happened between both of you. There is separation. Four of Wands, yeah, you both could be twin flames also. The Emperor, wow, one person is very committed and honest in this connection, but one person, Nine of Wands, they are guarded. They want, but they are not putting any effort. They are guarded. So I think it's you very committed in this connection, Taurus. You want this connection, you want this happiness in this connection, but something is happened between both of you. There is some separation. It is let's see your personal energy, what they are up to right now. Knight of Pentacles, yeah, they want to communicate you. They are calming but slow. Ace of Cups, wow. Eight of Cups, Ace of Cups. What? I think it's your person walked away from you. Now they want to return you. Page of Cups with an apology. Yeah, for what they did to you, they want to apologize you, and they are feeling a lot of love for you. So much love for you. Their love is overflowing here. They are now seeing your worth, Taurus. But you stand by your power. I think it's you gaining your strength after the separation. Yeah, your person undergoes some transformation. You or your person could be Scorpio. King of Cups, yeah, Page of Knight of Pentacles to King of Cups. It is a major transformation. After the transformation, Knight to King. Definitely your person want to offer his cup of love to you this time. Under the deck, Two of Pentacles, yes, they are juggling right now, but after the transformation, after the realizing you worth, they will come towards you eventually. Yeah. Ace of Cups, definitely they are feeling a lot of love for you. And Ace of Pentacles, yeah, they want to offer long-term commitment to you. So definitely they will come towards you, Taurus, and they will offer everything to you, stability, love. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.